Welcome to our exciting world of indoor dustbins designed especially for preschool kids. In this video, we are thrilled to introduce you to our adorable and practical range of dustbins: the fish dustbin, penguin dustbin, swan dustbin, and snail dustbin. Each dustbin is meticulously crafted with proper measurements, making it super easy for little ones to toss their trash effortlessly. Say goodbye to messy spaces and hello to clean and organized environments. Join us as we showcase the charming features of each dustbin, highlighting their durability, vibrant designs, and most importantly, their ability to encourage children to develop good habits of cleanliness and tidiness from a young age. With our indoor dustbins, cleanup time becomes a fun and engaging activity for preschoolers, fostering responsibility and pride in keeping their surroundings neat and tidy.